A significant leap in defense collaboration between Poland and South Korea has been achieved with the announcement of a new industrial partnership aimed at producing rockets for the Homar-K Multiple Launch Rocket System, MLRS, in Poland. This agreement, set to be formalized on April 15, 2025, involves the Polish company WB Electronics and South Korea's Hanwha Aerospace, signaling a strategic move to boost Poland's defense autonomy and fortify its long-range deterrence capabilities. The Homar-K MLRS, which is a Polish adaptation of South Korea's K-239 Chunmoo system, offers exceptional mobility, modularity, and precision. Mounted on a locally manufactured 8x8 Jelks chassis, this system is capable of deploying a variety of guided and unguided munitions. Although the specifics of the rockets to be produced domestically have not been revealed, they are expected to be 239mm rockets with a range of up to 200 km, significantly enhancing the firepower of the Homar-K system. The key goal of this initiative is to establish a domestic supply chain for critical rocket munitions within a 3-year timeframe. With this partnership, Poland aims to reduce reliance on foreign manufacturing, securing greater control over its military capabilities and supply chains. The Homar-K system, which serves as Poland's response to threats such as North Korea's long-range missile systems, will now benefit from locally produced rockets, enhancing the nation's regional strike capabilities. In terms of its operational features, the Homar-K is equipped to launch various types of rockets. For instance, the CGR-080 guided rocket has a range of 30 to 80 km and utilizes GPS/INS navigation, ensuring high accuracy. In addition to this, the system is compatible with more powerful munitions, including CTMMR and CTM-290 guided rockets, providing a vast range of 50 to 290 km. This diversity makes the Homar-K highly adaptable for various military scenarios, from short-range to long-range fire support. The system is already integrated into the Polish military, with a large-scale acquisition program underway. Poland has placed an order for 290 units, with delivery slated to occur between 2026 and 2029. By early 2025, 90 of these systems had already been delivered. The first successful live-fire test in December 2024 demonstrated the Homar-K's impressive precision and capability, signaling the system's readiness for deployment. The versatility of the Homar-K is further demonstrated by its compatibility with different munitions. It can fire up to 40 K-33 rockets, reach 36 km, or 12 KM-26A2 unguided rockets with a range of up to 45 km. Additionally, it can launch up to 12 CGR-080 guided rockets, offering a maximum strike range of 80 km. The system's heavy configuration allows it to deploy two ballistic missiles with ranges from 180 to 280 km, further broadening Poland's artillery range. This agreement marks a major step toward enhancing Poland's defense industry, particularly in light of growing security concerns in Eastern Europe. By investing in domestic rocket production, Poland is securing a reliable and independent source of precision-guided munitions, enabling sustained military operations even in the event of supply chain disruptions. Moreover, this development strengthens Poland's role in Europe's defense framework, positioning it as a key player in regional security. The collaboration between WB Electronics and Hanwha Aerospace represents a new phase in Euro-Asian defense cooperation, highlighting Poland's increasing autonomy in defense production. By localizing missile manufacturing, Poland is not only strengthening its own military capabilities but also laying the groundwork for future export potential of precision-guided systems, contributing to European security. The move is set to revolutionize Poland's artillery forces, ensuring they are equipped for the challenges of modern warfare.